Hi and welcome to today's Bee tutorial. Today we're going to walk through how to create an email like this one that we're looking at right now by Offscreen Dispatch. We love this really simple color blocking where part of the email is this really pretty pink peachy color and the rest is white. So we're just going to show you how to do a color blocking technique just like this. We'll go ahead over to our Bee editor where I've recreated the basic structure of the email. And you can see that these first two rows should have that really pretty peach color in the background. And all I'm going to do is actually select the row itself, and then from the menu that opens up over here, I'm going to change the row background color, and that will ensure that the color goes from edge to edge. If I wanted to only change the background of the body of the email, the central body of the email, I could instead do the content background color and kind of have just the middle, have this like color block. But to do the whole thing, you just use the row, and it's really that easy. So go ahead and have fun with color blocking an email using the Bee editor.